Here's a great deal on a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.